What if the universe is far more connected to you than you've ever imagined? What if every breath you take, every thought that crosses your mind, and every beat of your heart is not just a small occurrence but part of a grand cosmic design? In the world of metaphysics and ancient wisdom, there lies a timeless truth that could change the way you see yourself and the universe. It's the profound principle that reveals an astonishing connection between the microcosm, your inner world, and the macrocosm, the vast universe. This truth isn't just a spiritual theory. It's a guiding light, illuminating the dance between the small and the infinite, between your individual existence and the boundless cosmos. But what does that mean for you? Imagine for a moment that your very being is a finely woven tapestry, connected to the deepest elements of existence. At the smallest scale, you are the microcosm, a complex network of mind, body, and soul. It's here that the essence of who you are is found, in the intricate firing of neurons in your brain, the rhythmic pulse of blood through your veins, and the endless flow of thoughts and emotions that define your experience. But what if these seemingly personal, individual occurrences are reflections of the grander universe? As we dive deeper into this truth, we begin to see that the universe, the macrocosm, echoes within us. The grandeur of celestial bodies, the vastness of space, and the immeasurable realms of energy and consciousness don't just exist out there, far beyond your reach. They resonate within the depths of your own being. You are not a solitary existence, floating aimlessly in a sea of chaos. No. You are part of a dance, an energetic interplay that ties your struggles, aspirations, and desires to the very fabric of the universe. Every thought, every action, creates ripples in this infinite ocean. The ancient wisdom of as above, so below, as within, so without, calls us to open our eyes to this cosmic truth. The law of correspondence shows us that what happens within us mirrors what happens in the vast universe. But here's the kicker. If the universe holds the power to create and destroy, so do you. Just as the divine mind of the cosmos is the source of creation, your mind is the source of your personal reality. Every thought you entertain, every belief you hold, seeds your future. Your mind is like a fertile garden, waiting for you to plant the seeds of your highest potential. However, the mind can feel like a jungle of chaotic thoughts. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a flood of ideas, emotions, and fears? You are not alone. Yet, here's the good news. You have the power to consciously choose which thoughts to cultivate and which to let go. Think of yourself standing in front of a table full of tools. Which ones will you pick? Which will help you shape your life the way you want? This is the key to manifestation. Choosing wisely, discerning what serves your growth, and rejecting what doesn't. The law of correspondence invites us to observe the patterns in our own microcosm to unlock the secrets of the universe. Your mind, your body, your soul, they hold the keys to understanding the larger truths of existence. By guarding your thoughts and mind with care, you are not just shaping your life. You are tuning in to the deeper rhythms of the universe itself. Are you ready to embrace the power that lies within and without? The universe is calling. Will you answer? Unveiling the cosmic mirror, how every thought shapes the universe. Have you ever considered that every thought, every small action, ripples out into the vast universe, shaping not only your reality but the fabric of existence itself? The ancient Hermetic law of correspondence tells us that what happens on a micro level is reflected in the macro level, and vice versa. But how does this work? What deeper truths are hidden in this universal mirror? This law unveils a hidden harmony, a seamless connection between the physical, mental, and spiritual planes of our existence. It suggests that we are not separate entities floating in an isolated space. Rather, we are intricately connected to everything, from the spiral of galaxies to the structure of atoms. When we neglect one area of our lives, it is not an isolated event. It's a domino that falls, impacting the rest of our existence. Like a butterfly flapping its wings, the smallest act can echo across the vastest realms. This principle invites us to shift our focus from surface desires, those fleeting, materialistic goals, and explore something far deeper, the profound interconnectedness of our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. It challenges us to understand that the macrocosm, the grand scale of the universe, and the microcosm, our individual lives, are not separate. They are reflections of one another, like two sides of a cosmic coin. In Inner Engineering, a yogi's guide to joy, Sadhguru emphasizes how our internal world is directly linked to the external. He describes how mastering the internal environment, our thoughts, emotions, and energies, mirrors mastery over the larger universe around us. We are invited to dive into this cosmic interplay, to recognize that every tiny detail of our lives reflects larger truths. Fractal patterns, those mesmerizing designs that replicate themselves infinitely, offer us a glimpse of this hidden order. Just as the Fibonacci sequence repeats in everything from seashells to galaxies, the patterns of our lives echo in the universe. In Adiyogi, the source of yoga, Sadhguru speaks of Shiva, the first yogi, who embodied this cosmic union, showing us that life and its grand design are intertwined with our innermost being. The butterfly effect is not just a philosophical idea. It's a lived reality. Every thought you have, every belief you hold, sets into motion a series of effects that can shape not just your personal life, but the world around you. The Hermetic law of correspondence dares us to reflect on this. It urges us to see that the choices we make, even on the smallest scale, contribute to the grand symphony of creation. Sadhguru's teachings in Mystic's Musings explore this further, showing how the mind, when aligned with this deeper cosmic rhythm, can either lead us to chaos or elevate us into profound harmony. As we delve deeper into the nature of this universal correspondence, we are reminded that everything is connected. The grand universe reflects the intricacies of our minds, our hearts, and our spirits. In nature, we observe fractals that reveal this secret. The same underlying structure exists across different scales, from atoms to galaxies. Every tree, every seashell, every spiral is a reminder that we are part of this interconnected web. In the grand design of the universe, we are not passive observers. We are active participants, shaping and being shaped by the cosmic forces. The law of correspondence invites us to take responsibility for the reality we create. Are you ready to embrace this profound truth? To see how your every thought, every action, shapes not only your personal reality, but the very essence of the universe itself. It's time to pull back the veil and recognize that what you do in the micro affects the macro. The universe is a mirror, reflecting your thoughts, your energy, your actions. Step forward and engage with this cosmic dance, because whether you realize it or not, you are shaping the cosmos with every move you make. What if the secret to understanding the universe lies hidden in a single tree, or even the veins flowing through your body? As we shift our perspective from the micro to the macro, from the individual to the universal, we begin to see the beautiful unity that underlies all things. This is the transformative revelation that occurs when we rise above our limited view and take in the whole picture. Like flying above a forest where the once distinct trees blur into a seamless expanse of green, we experience a profound shift in our understanding of individuality and unity. This is no mere metaphor. It is nature's elegant design, whispering the secrets of the cosmos. When you zoom in, you see a single tree. When you zoom out, you witness the interconnectedness of the entire forest. This is not just a poetic observation. It is the very fabric of reality, echoing the ancient principle of correspondence. As above, so below. The same patterns that exist in the vastness of the universe are mirrored within us, in the intricate workings of our own bodies. Fractals, those mesmerizing, self-similar patterns, reveal this deeper truth. Just as rivers branch into tributaries, and tributaries branch into streams, the human body mirrors this cosmic dance. Our blood vessels, from large arteries to tiny capillaries, follow the same branching patterns, distributing life-sustaining oxygen throughout our being. It's as if the universe has woven the same thread of life through every scale, from the galaxies to our very veins. As Einstein once said, "Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better." Nature offers us a cosmic mirror, reflecting the unity that ties together the macrocosm and the microcosm. Every branch, every stream, every vessel within us speaks the same language of connectedness, reminding us that we are not separate from the universe, but an expression of its grand design. Consider the river that winds through the landscape. It's not just a geographical feature. It is a reflection of a larger structure, an intricate dance of branching that mirrors the flow of energy in the cosmos. From the grandest galaxies to the smallest rivulets, we see these same patterns repeated again and again, inviting us to understand that everything is connected. William Blake captured this beautifully. To see a world in a grain of sand, and a heaven in a wild flower, hold infinity in the palm of your hand, and eternity in an hour. The universe whispers to us through these patterns, asking us to look beyond the surface and recognize the deeper truth of oneness. When we contemplate this interplay, we begin to see the fractal nature of existence, not as a random design, but as a purposeful reflection of the unity between the individual and the universe. The law of correspondence is no mere metaphor. It is a living reality, one that governs both the macrocosm of the stars and the microcosm of our cells. Lao Tzu said, "In the light of deep truth, all differences fade away." When we realize that the patterns of the universe are the same patterns that exist within us, the illusion of separation dissolves. Our journey of self-discovery is a journey into this cosmic unity. The branching of trees, the flow of rivers, the structure of our blood vessels, all are manifestations of the same universal principle. As we delve deeper into this mystery, we come to understand that life itself is a cycle, an eternal dance of beginnings and endings. The fractal nature of existence serves as a constant reminder of this cycle, guiding us toward the profound truth that everything is interconnected, that the microcosm and the macrocosm are one. So, as you contemplate the patterns of nature, remember, you are not just an observer. You are a part of the same grand design. The universe is reflected within you, and you within it. What will you do with this knowledge? Will you rise above the surface to see the whole picture, or will you stay caught in the illusion of individuality? The choice is yours, but the invitation is clear. The universe is calling you to awaken to the profound unity that underlies all things. The cosmic reflection. How your inner world shapes the universe around you. Have you ever wondered if the chaos in your life is just a reflection of something deeper within you? The universe speaks to us in whispers, revealing that everything we encounter in the external world is a mirror of our internal reality. As we've journeyed through the ancient principle of correspondence, we've uncovered an eternal loop, a cosmic rhythm that endlessly unfolds. This dance between beginnings and endings reflects the grand interconnectedness of all things, urging us to see that what happens above is always mirrored below. But what does this mean for you? Every experience, every situation in your life serves as a catalyst for growth, nudging you toward a deeper understanding of yourself. The universe is not random. It responds to the energy, beliefs, and emotions that reside within your consciousness. The world outside is simply a canvas, reflecting the masterpiece or the chaos that lies within. When you see beauty, joy, and light around you, it is because your inner world is filled with those very qualities. But when you encounter conflict, fear, or pain, it may be time to ask yourself, what unresolved shadows lie within me? This realization is a profound awakening. It moves us from being passive victims of circumstance to empowered creators of our reality. The key to change lies not in controlling the external world, but in mastering the internal one. As Sadhguru says in Mind is Your Business, true mastery begins when we realize that the mind is not our enemy, but a powerful tool to be harnessed for inner transformation. The outer world is the effect, but the inner world is the cause. If you feel chaos around you, there is likely chaos within. If you feel a lack of love in your life, perhaps you've not cultivated it within your own heart. To transform the outer world, you must first venture into the depths of your own being. Imagine that your mind is a garden. Just as a seed holds the potential to grow into a magnificent tree, your beliefs, thoughts, and emotions shape the reality you experience. The question is, what are you planting? Are you sowing seeds of fear or seeds of possibility? The courage to confront your own shadows, the willingness to examine what you've ignored for so long, is the first step toward genuine transformation. In Life and Death in One Breath, Sadhguru speaks of life's cyclical nature and how, by embracing the impermanence of external reality, we open ourselves to the deeper, more lasting truths of our inner world. The cycle of life is not just an abstract concept. It plays out within you every day. Every ending carries with it the promise of a new beginning. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. The cosmic rhythm continues, inviting you to step into the flow and awaken to the limitless potential that lies within you. As we conclude this journey, let this ancient wisdom sink deeply into your heart. The universe is a symphony, and you're an integral part of its melody. Every thought, every emotion, every belief you hold contributes to the grand composition of existence. So, why not choose to play a beautiful tune? Why not take the reins of your own inner world and create a life of harmony, peace, and joy? Thank you so much for watching and being part of this journey with me. If something in this video resonated with you, please share it with someone who might benefit from this message. Your support helps us continue creating more content to inspire and uplift. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below, and let me know what insights or thoughts you had. Together we can keep diving deeper into the mysteries of consciousness and personal transformation. Until next time, may your life be filled with light, love, and endless growth.